Hello YouTube, what's up everyone? Welcome to our channel, the Forex Trader 01, and today we'll be giving you the analysis for this coming week. And I think if you actually followed our channel for the analysis we posted last week, you will see that all our analysis played perfectly fine. If you actually followed all what we said there, I think you should be making money. You know what I'm saying? So let's kickstart everything with our normal usual doings. We start everything from the XY, and guys, please remember to like and subscribe, comment if you have anything you want to tell us, probably to know about. Maybe you have some certain pieces you want us to analyze, we can actually do that for you. So feel free to like, subscribe, and then click the notification button so you get notified whenever we drop our weekly market analysis. So on the XY, I think if you actually followed our analysis last week, I told us that I was bearish on the XY, and I think I had this level that I'm expecting the market to pull back to, and you know the market actually pulled back to our level, and does his normal thing, followed our prediction. So just to show you that this is not luck. It's hard work, you know what I'm saying? So if you want to do this as we always do, you want to know how we get in and get out of the markets, you want to join our academy at the Forex Trader 01, you can actually drop your comments in the description box, and we send you a link, and then we can go from there, and we build traders, we grow together. So our analysis last week played out pretty fine in the market. So what would be my next analysis for this week? So from this week, as you can see, we are having a very strong double bottom. A double bottom which is a reversal pattern. So but however I'm still bullish on this, because if we check well, I think we have a level here as well. If we check well, we have a level here, but I won't be picking any trade right from here, but we have a very strong level here as well. But what I'll be doing is, for the bearish continuation, and I think if we actually check well, this is an head and shoulder, not the best picture, you know what I'm saying, but if you could look well, it's an head and shoulder. So my analysis is on the XY for this coming week is to see a break here, pull back, and then we look for sales. That's for the bearish side. And for the bullish scenario is to see the market keep rallying to the upside, break here, pull back, and then push to the upside. So that's for the bullish side. So that's that about DXY. So let's start from USD-JPY. I think USD-JPY last week I said we might see a continuation of this drop. I was actually expecting to see the other side of it, but unfortunately we couldn't get that. And if you actually followed our analysis last week, I guess and I hope you should be making money on USD-JPY. So on USD-JPY for this coming week, my analysis is because as you can see now, the market is ranging. So for the bearish scenario, I'll be expecting a break, a retest of this level for the bearishness, and then pick a trade. And for the bullish scenario is to see the market rally to the upside and make some sort of pullback here and rally to the upside. So that's about UJ. So let's check the other ones. ADUSD. I think ADUSD last week I said I wanted to see some sort of break and retest. If you check the analysis pretty well, and I think I marked the whole level to see some sort of break and retest, and this level was the level I marked. And I think if you actually followed our analysis and you watch our video today, you should make money on HBUSD as well, because this was where I said I will be looking for my bearish scenario, which if you pick out your trade, you should get an entry there, and then probably target 1 to 3, 1 to 4. You know what I'm saying? So for this coming week, what will be my analysis? My bias is, according to market structure, it's showing some downward trend. So what I'm expecting is to see some sort of break and retest. If I could see some sort of pullback here and then drop, simple as that, for the bearish. And if you are going to be seeing some other side of it, which is the bullish scenario, is to see the market going from here, pull back, and then rally. Then we are going to have a change of character. That's for the bullish scenario. So on GU last week, I said I wanted to see some sort of break and retest on this silver and I showed that I think the market was here, and I said we should be conscious of this level because the market might do some kind of stuff. If you are doubting me, you can actually go back to the previous video and check for yourself. And then we actually saw the pullback, and if you also follow the analysis, our prediction, you should be making money on GU as well, no loss. So on GUUSD, I think on USD is a break-even trade. You know what I'm saying? It's actually a break-even because the direction wasn't clear enough for us. But I think we have some sort of break and retest on this neckline. So which actually I was thinking maybe we will rally from here, but this was a trade which I took. I think if you take this trade, if you target one to maybe this could be a break-even trade, So and then we saw a break, pull back again, right to the upside. I think for both bullish and bearish scenario actually played out last week, which is somehow confusing, you understand? But that's how the market does its thing. So for this coming week, what should we be expecting? I think we should be expecting some bullishness from this level. Most of which you can actually go down to your probably 1 hour time frame, and then I think the buy is already happening. But if you want to join this trade, I think you can just stick to the 4-hour time frame. Probably we might get something more of a double bottom. Probably the market will come back here, give us some engulfing, then we could go from there. So that's for that. And for the bearish scenario, is going to be something like if you could see a break, pull back, and the right to the downside. That means we have a change in market structure. So on USD card actually played up pretty well. I think I said we should be buying from this level, and I think if you actually follow the analysis, we saw some sort of break retest. You understand? But this was more of a fake breakout. We can see a double bottom forming, and then the market came back for a good retracement rally, and then came back again to give us a strong double bottom and then rally to the upside. So for this coming week, what should we be expecting on USD card? On USD card, I'm still kind of bullish, guys. So I'll be expecting some sort of break. I'm sorry, I said a break. I'll be expecting a retest of this level, and then rally to the upside. But that's for the bullish scenario. But for the bearish scenario is if I could see the market come back here, pull back here, and then I will consider picking a sell. So that's that about USD card. On USD chef actually. USD chef. I think my analysis on USD chef was I think the market was somewhere around around there, you know, the market actually played out well as well. Expecting some sort of buy. If you buy here, probably this is going to be a break-even trade, and then we saw a break again to the downside, a retracement, and then well, if you follow that signal, I think you should be making money. Good one for this week. So on SAUSD, SAUSD has been moving sideways, so I will have to do the normal boxing now. You understand? So we box this, we wait for a breakout. For the bullish, if it's going to be bullish, I need to see some break here, pull back, and if it's going to be bearish as well, and some sort of break, retest, and then rally to the downside. So NZD-USD, the last but not the least. I think if you followed our analysis on NZD-USD last week, you should be making money as well. I think the market was somewhere around there. And imagine if you had picked a buy here, you made a little money. Little, can't lie. I think the market was here, and I was expecting some sort of breakouts and retests, but I was more focused on this level as well too. And then the market came back here. This would have been a loss. Honestly, this would have been a loss. This would have been a loss. But if you checked well, many of our trades, majority of our trades are winners. So even having a single loss can't weigh us down. You understand? Because at least there is one thing we always have. We never risk 1-to-1. We never risk $1 to get $1. We risk $1 to get a 3. You understand? Or 2. That's a good business. If you are risking 1, you need to make sure in return you are getting 2 or 3. So if you actually lose 1 and you place another trade and you eventually win the trade, which means you've covered your previous loss and add another one. So, and the bearish scenarios came to place, which played out pretty well. I think if you enter this trade, probably 1 to 2, if you are kind of person that holds trade, then you should, if you time your entry to lower time frames, you should make some money. You know what I'm saying? So, but that's that about that. So I think the next online is okay. For this one is I'm kind of bearish though, based on market structure. Is to see the market break here, pull back, and then rally to the downside. That's all I want to see. If I'm going to be selling, you know what I'm saying? So for the bullish case scenario is to see this market doing something like this. For the bullish, you see the market going from here, pull back, and then pick a trade. That's going to be for the bullish scenario. So I think that's all, guys. If you have any question, do well to drop it in the comment section. And if you want to join our academy, we'll be very glad to have you on board, and we are ready to train you and grow together. And if you actually been following our analysis and making money, please drop it in the comment section. Let people know you're really making the money. We are no joke. And if you want to learn how we do these stuff, you can actually come to us. We give, I think our strategy, I can't say the simplest, but is among one of the simplest way to approach the market based on intraday perspective. You understand? So I think we are right 8 out of 10 times, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. So Merry Christmas in advance. Merry Christmas in advance, and Happy New Year in advance as well. So wishing you all a peaceful week ahead. And remember, manage your risk, your risk, manage your emotion, and be patient. You need to have your steez. You got to be in 100, swagger 100. Your composure 100. So don't be too eager to jump on a trade. Wait for candle to close. So that's that about that, guys. Thank you, and have a wonderful weekend.